Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, mentioning yesterday that we would continue on with this spike short term and that we would be cautious swing term till we did close back above our 8-day. So again, a nice continuation if you did play this intraday on that spike. Although now sitting on an inverted hammer, are we going to possibly continue on with this rejection with our wick to the upside here is the question going into next week. Again, Wednesday, we have CPI coming out. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers that you want to be watching at very key levels, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. Let's jump right into this one. So jumping into this buy with you guys here again, looking at our daily candle structure again, clearly sitting on an inverted hammer, so we have to be cautious to the upside. However, as we sit on higher lows for a possible support short term, a possible continuation on higher that we could be looking for from our weekly candle structure that I'm going to go over in a second, that we need our daily chart to have a close back above our 8-day moving average here for. So again, if we close back above our 8-day moving average, then we can possibly have this continuation. Again, continuation on support off of our 50-day here would be very clean here for that possible continuation. However, again, as we sit on an inverted hammer, we want to make sure we do close higher, and leading into CPI, very much setting up for that major move higher or lower in my opinion. Now looking at our weekly candle structure, again, as we sit on higher lows, as we looked on our daily chart with, we do now sit with a wick to the downside on our weekly candle structure here. So again, we closed this last week with a wick to the downside, looking to see if we will get proof of concept to possibly gap back into our prior gap down that we had to retest prior highs and to possibly continue on higher here off of our 8-weekly moving average. Again, starting to curl back higher here. All we need is our 8-day moving average to start to curl back higher and get back above it. And that will be that continuation in my opinion. But on our weekly chart, very cautious because we do have our 12 dropping below our 26 on our MACD. Again, our EMA lines crossing lower here, increasing in sell pressure. Again, closing this last week, increasing in sell pressure. We are cautious. This could be a possible continuation on lower because of that. Again, we want to see a close above next week on our 8-weekly moving average to have that possible continuation on higher, in my opinion. A possible close with a doji candle would be that possible indecisive move that we needed for our 8-weekly moving average to curl up and continue on back higher. Again, as we have our 8 and our 50 days so far apart here on our weekly moving average, we can assume that we are looking for possible buy the dip opportunities from here. However, again, looking for our 12 to cross back above our 26 for that confirmation for our swing term momentum. Now, recapping on our intraday perspective, what we are looking for going into this next week, again, as we sit with an inverted hammer, not only rejecting our 821, but also rejecting our 0.618 fib currently. We do not want a continuation lower here. We do not want that weekly candle structure to show us that continuation on lower. However, at this point in time, very much looking to see exactly how we close with CPI going into this week with our weekly candle structure will be the watch, in my opinion. Now, again, as we have our 8-day curling over here, what we want to see is any possible false break to the downside, any possible curl back above our 21 would be that possible continuation on higher as well. So again, very much looking to see exactly how we close this week with CPI on Wednesday. Very cautious leading into CPI. Now again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers that you want to be watching, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting the channel. Looking forward to going at it next week. We will be leading into CPI, cautious, but it's going to get crazy going into next week, in my opinion. Again, CPI may come in higher. A lot of projections for this possible increase in CPI that we have not had in quite a while. Again, don't forget to check out tomorrow's video. I will be going over the market and what we're looking for going into next week. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys in the next video.